What's going on, everybody? You're watching GTSam. I'm Sam, and we're here with my Jack. Yeah, so this is the one I grew up with. Believe it or not, this is like 40 years old, probably. It's going way back. It's super cool, vintage, and I love it. I could go and get like a brand new one for like $60 to $100, but this patina, the look, it's red, and it's hardcore. It's been through me my whole life growing up. It was my dad's, and right there, that just explains it all, like why I'm not getting rid of it and giving up on it. So what we need to do right now is repair it. It's leaking out a lot, and it just won't hold a car up. It just sinks down, doesn't go very high. It's a little limp. So we got to go ahead and fix it up here. So we have some hydraulic fluid for Jack specifically. Is that a contradiction of words? Hydraulic fluid and Jack fluid? It's Jack fluid. So I picked it up from the store. It was right there. I was like, boom, get it. And it just pushed me to go ahead and fix this further. So we're going to take it apart, look at what we have to do, replace what we need to, and then fill it and test it, see how it does. So let me go ahead and show you the directions. And the manual comes with it. Oh, it's so cool. They're perfectly preserved in this plastic bag. Make sure it doesn't fly away. Right now it's super windy out and it's about to storm, but who cares? Check it out. The owner's manual. Oh, yeah. So this thing's cool. I don't think it's oil soap. It even has the original receipt still stuck on there from my dad. And so this is the breakdown of like all the parts and everything you need, and what it looks like on the interior there for the pump, and it's operational rules for safety, you know, and it tells you like what oil to use. It was 5W weight. Obviously we don't really have that anymore, so we gotta, you know, fix it. But yeah, we gotta like maintain the oil level too. Shows it right here how to do that. Yeah, obviously I know where that is. That's cool enough. So other than that, we just gotta go ahead, really get in here. It's like even troubleshooting section too. It's really nice. You got purged air from the system. I love it. So we can go ahead, just follow these, well, old directions, and then we're gonna go for it. So 1982, this was made, produced. So let's see. Oh yeah. Guys, that's like 40 years old, guys. That's awesome. So obviously, definitely keeping it. It works great. I'm going to jump right into this right now here. So we're going to take this cover off. Feeling the rain's coming in. All right. Get the bar set down there. We got this. All this. So I took out the bolts here. It's about a 22. It's a 23, but we got a 24 impact socket. And this thing just goes zip, zip. It's awesome. So I'm going to get that off in some locking washers. And I got the spring off from the bottom too. So if we kind of pull things apart here. Probably gonna fall on my fingers and crush them, isn't it? Yeah, pretty much the same thing. Alright, they got some washers. Keep those kind of separate. Then you take the wheels out with, these could probably use some greasing up, you know. These got these little, like, bearings almost. They're not even really bearings, can't even really call them that. They just kind of ride on there. So, man, okay, we can work with this. We can do this. This will be, I think this would be really simple to actually work on and fix and just make even better. So we'll clean it up, put some, you know, molly grease on there, bing, bang, boom, good to go. So if we take this apart, fingers. All right, side one, bar in front, side right here. Okay, suspiciously, there might be damage there, which would really stink. Ooh, some dirt. Ooh, nasty. Okay, take this out of the way. Oh, it gurgled at me. You got a little muck. Maybe we'll get a little muck on here. So we'll clean that off. Let's see what we get. Yeah, I had a little bit of wear and tear on this. It's like a little magnet. So that's cool. It sounds a little empty. The front here, we need to undo that. That's gonna be a real heifer of a job right there. I don't think I have any wrenches that size. Oh, here you are, you silly goose. Oh my, that's really big.
That's what she said.
Well, I'd really hate to bugger this up. Okay. Okay, let's not keep doing that. Beautiful morning, back at it with this. Oh, that should give us some good results. We try to not muck it up. Huh. Look, I'll be frank with you guys. This ain't easy to... Well, it's just not easy. It's not happening to get this off. I mean, this was built like 45 years ago. That's when they actually made good stuff. So I don't really think it's going to come apart unless we have a very specific wrench for it to like really grip onto it. I don't think I want to venture into this anymore. I mean, for it to have such a slow leak after 45 years of use, pretty darn good. So what I think I'm going to do now, clean it up, put it back together. I'm going to fill it with the brand new fluid. That's obviously better than 45 years ago. And we're going to monitor it for any other leaks. If it's something that's super small, then I'm not going to worry about it. If it's something bigger, we'll have to come back and look at it. So honestly, we're going to put it back together then and clean it up here. It's a great machine. Let's just keep it running good. We got some fluid out of here. Obviously, it's very dark, dirty, and old. I don't think my dad ever changed this stuff. So it's obvious that it did need to be changed. You can definitely tell it's like almost had like layers of ripples of like, particles and dirt in there, stuff like that. So, and then you look at this stuff, on the side here, you can almost see in there, it's like nice, beautiful, light golden. So, yeah, it's gonna be dope. Really well worth it. I think it'll really help out a lot. This is newer stuff, new technology kind of thing. So, I'm happy about that. And she's going to be back on the road here. We are rebuilt and retightened and everything like that. So let's go ahead and test it, see how it does. So real quick, that's all we got to do. Looks shiny and good and clean as much as clean. Yeah, that like hydraulic pump looks really good. All right, yeah, look at that. Oh, way higher than before. So if I put it to like here, it goes down like slightly. That's just how it is. But if I go and just like this, yeah, I mean, it holds me, so that's always good. But I'm not that heavy, I guess. So yeah, we gotta go test this on a car now. But hey, it goes higher and stays up here more than what it did before. So let's let that down. Now it's gonna do the real test of going outside and jacking up a car. So we should probably do that, I'd say, right now. All right, we'll try on this mid-sized sedan we have here on the Accord and see how it does at lifting it. One of the projects I got to work on for repairing to a client. Right, line it up. Come on, girl. Have to find out. All right, I'd say that's pretty good. She's back in action. Nice. Anything substantial leaks? Not substantial. We'll take that. Cool. All right. Well, I'm not gonna wait to see if this thing like goes down at all, because it used to go down very fast and not keep going close to this high either. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bring it down gently here. Man, never had this jack in like a year. Perfect. Well, there we go, everybody. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up right there. Make sure you subscribe down and below for more content quite like this and much more, especially on cars and insurance rebuilds like this one right here for somebody. And also make sure you leave some comments down below. If you have questions or comments about anything, love to talk to you about it, or and read what you have to say. But I'm really happy we got this thing back together in action. Still no leaks. I'm thrilled about that. And it's 45 years old really at this point. So, I'm not complaining that really much at all. So this vintage thing is back in action and I'm very excited about it. So thank you again once again for watching. This is GTSam. I'm going to catch you next time.